How to set Premiere Pro to 1920 1080. And this is quite simple. If you did something wrong with your sequence right here, we go to sequence settings, and then right now make sure that it's always on custom so you can customize what you want. Then from here we go to the frame size and then we do 1920, and then horizontal we do 1080. Then you can select here also your display format. And make sure that you also for video previews set the width on 1920 and 1080 and iframe only. And then right now we do OK, and it's back on 1020, 1080. If you want to render this, we make this smaller, go to export or file, export media. Then you only need to click here on match sequence settings, and then he will render the 1920 1080. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching. Ciao.